Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find previously watched videos on TikTok. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. Click on your avatar icon or your Apple ID account on the top right. Click on apps and then type TikTok, and then double check if your TikTok app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the TikTok. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and see the interface of the app. Now, what I'm going to do in order to see the videos that I watched on TikTok, click on your profile icon at the below right corner. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and click on the three bars at the top right. Click on the settings and privacy. Scroll a little bit down, and you're going to be able to see, an option called content, you're going to be able to see an option right here. Let me see, playback. Now you're gonna be able to see like a privacy. Here you're gonna be able to see multiple interactions, like your comments, mentions, and tags and all that. And you're gonna be able to see the post videos, and you're gonna be able to see profile views, and all that. So basically you're gonna be able to see right here, this is like your interaction settings. Get back to it, and then you're gonna be able to see activity center. In the activity center, what you're gonna witness, you're gonna be able to see comment history, watch history. Click on it, and basically you're gonna see all the videos that you watched on TikTok, and basically you're gonna find it right here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.